So I'm going to look now at the Ladbrokes sign-up offer, which is for bet £10 and get £30 in free bets. So you sign up with the promo code G30, and just a quick look at the terms. Your minimum first bet is £10, must be placed within 14 days of registering the account, and a £30 free bet is credited as 3 £10 free bets. If you cash out your bets, it's not valid, and your free bet is only valid for 7 days. So that's one of those, it's really important to track your free bets. And if we just have another quick look here, the qualifying bet will be real money sports bet, £10 at odds of a half or decimal odds 1.5 or greater. So always just check your minimum odds and when you'll need to use your free bet buy. So for that page open, just to show you, I have gone ahead and registered with Ladbrokes, and I've deposited £10. So now we're going to look at finding a bet to place for our qualifying bet. So I will use the software here on Profit Maximizer. If you don't have the software, you can just look through the upcoming football matches or the upcoming horse races, find a bet with the odds of above 1.5 where they're close on the exchange and on Ladbrokes. I have got another video that shows you how to place bets manually, or find bets, manually. So you can have a look at that. But this does make it much easier. So ideally, I want to stick to horse racing. Stick to football. Now, although these ones, they are closer matches, I've never heard of any of these teams. I don't know who they are. So I'm going to steer away from those and pick something that's a little bit more common. I have heard of these ones, but again, not amazingly common. So I'm just going to have a little bit of a look down. See, Atletico Madrid, Sevilla, whatever they're called. I don't know. See, they're big teams. I've heard of them. I know about them. They're in the Spanish First Division. So we might have a very, very slightly larger qualifying loss. In fact, let's have a look. So that one on £10 will lose us 26p with our £30 free bet still to come. And this one will lose us 11p. So for the sake of 15p, I'd rather look more like a normal mug better than a matched better. So let's go on to Ladbrokes and the exchange and find that match, make sure the odds haven't altered. So it's on the 7th at 3 o'clock. So let's go to Ladbrokes. Some of these sites, it's harder to find the matches than others. So it's Spanish La Liga. And it was this one, Atletico Madrid and Seville. Now I just want to change my odds to decimal. Makes it much easier. And you can see, there we go, Atletico Madrid is 1.91. So let's find that on Smarket. So we're in football, Europe, Spain, Primera Division, Atletico Madrid, Seville, and that is there at 1.96. So the qualifying bet is £10. So 1.91, let's place that on Ladbrokes. So Atletico Madrid, 1.91. You do get boosts on Ladbrokes odds actually, which is quite handy. We've got a £10 bet, and that's actually boosted our odds to 1.95. So that will decrease our qualifying loss. So let's place that bet. So this bet has been boosted and it's placed at 1.95. So I'm going to go back into the calculator and change that to 1.95. So we'll just double check everything. It's a qualifier. The stake is £10. The Ladbrokes odds were 1.95. The Smarkets odds are 1.96. Because I've got my Smarkets linked through Profit Maximizer, I get 0% commission. If you do pay commission on Smarkets, you can just go in there and change that to 2, which will just up your qualifying loss a little bit. I'll leave that for now at 0. So our lay stake is going to be £9.95. Our liability will be £9.55. And that will result in a loss of 5p with a £30 of free bet still to come. So that's a really good qualifying bet. So let's go ahead and place that bet on Markets. So it's 196, £9.95, place bet. And I always remind everyone of this to confirm the bet, because I've been caught out once or twice, not confirm the bet. And you can see up here that's fully matched. So our qualifying bet is done. The only thing then to remember to do is to go onto your spreadsheet or your notebook, wherever you record everything, and just record that bet. Make a note that you have to use your free bet within 7 days. And I will come back when the bets are settled and show you a video of how to place those free bets.